Okay, good day everyone. This is Ching from NGS Bioinformatics 123 again. Today we are going to show you how are we going to use bioinformatics software management tools Bioconda to install NGS data analysis software. So to install NGS data analysis software using Bioconda, you still need a laptop with at least 8 GB RAM and then sufficient disk space for the virtual machine, and then your Oracle VirtualBox and Ubuntu desktop. Then you need to understand some basic Linux command line, and of course you need good internet connection to download and install the software. First, we need to get Bioconda from the internet before we can install any NGS data analysis software. This is Bioconda website. This is Bioconda website. So from here, you will be able to get the where should we download the Bioconda software. So I already put the command line to download the bio and install the Bioconda software in our PowerPoint slide using this curl. I copy and paste this curl command line and run it on the terminal. So again, this is our Ubuntu terminal interface. So just type paste. Oh, sorry. I accidentally copied the previous line. Just clear it. I try to copy again. Then run. This might take some time. After about approximately 1 minute waiting, the Bioconda installation command line are already downloaded. If you type ls, you can see that there is a .sh file, miniconda blah 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 .sh file. This is actually the installation script of Bioconda. So to run this installation script, you just type sh followed by the script. Type sh followed by the script. And then press enter. And then it will prompt you to enter whether you are agree to on the license agreement or not. Just press enter, and then just press enter all the way down to show that you have already read the agreement. And then after that, just type yes, you agree. And then follow that. Here also just type enter. Press enter to confirm the location. This is the pathway that the miniconda or the Bioconda folder located in your home directory. So just type enter. So I think this waiting time should be no more than 30 seconds. So we have a wait first. Now the installation script is actually loading the software. Just type yes to agree the initialization. So done. We have already installed the Bioconda or the mini conda. Whether uh, the conda reduce or not, reduce or not, reduce or not, reduce or not, we just type conda dash hatch. Dash hatch means help manual. So if the screen display the help manual of the conda, means that your software are all set to be used. And then where where do we actually keep all the NGS data software file in our Ubuntu? Type ls to see what is in your what is new in your home directory again. Now you can see that you mini conda 3 folder, mini conda 3 folder, and then all the bioinformatics software downloaded using Bioconda or mini conda keep in this mini conda folder or this mini conda directory. Type cd mini conda to see what is inside. ls. So you can see that all this conda file is here. The software will be kept in this bin, bin. You, you type ls to see what is inside bin. These are all the software. These are all the software already pre-installed in Conda before you try to use it to install new software. So and then we type cd to go back to our home directory. Now, after we have tested that Conda is ready to use, we will be trying to add some software download channel to our Conda or mini Conda software. If you want to download the software package from Conda, you need to add some channels. The most popular channels for bioinformatics software is Bioconda and Conda Forge. So I add these two channel first. Just type conda config add channel. Sorry. Conda config dash add dash channel followed by the channel names Bioconda. Press enter. Conda config. There is some error here. Let me see. Wait. Okay, just now I discover I have some typing error here. It's dash dash add spacing channel, not dash dash. It's actually dash add spacing channel, not dash dash add dash channel. So this command line should be working. Just type enter, add Bioconda into your channel list, and then I add the second channel, Honda Forge. So Bioconda and Conda Dash Forge channel already add into our Conda software. Now you can show, you use Conda config dash show to show the channel that you have. Conda dash show channel. So this is the channel that you have. You have the default channel, Bioconda, and also Conda Forge that we add in just now. We are going to install two NGS data processing software, which is SeedKit and SeedTK, to enable us to process some NGS raw data on our following online tutorial. So to install SeedKit and SeedTK, or if you want to install any software, you can try to go to Google and search. Let's say you want to install SeedKit. So you just search, you just type Conda install SeedKit. Or if you want to install, let's say soup de novo, or you want to install BWA or Baotai, you can just type soup. You can just type Conda install soup de novo, Conda install Baotai, or Conda install BWA. So here I want to install SeedKit, so I just type Conda install SeedKit to check the proper command prompt line to install. So just click on the anaconda.org for SeedKit. And this is the introduction from Anaconda about SeedKit. So here you just usually we will just copy the first command line. This is the proper command line to install software. So just type conda install -c. We are actually installing SeedKit from this channel Bioconda. So the installation should be very fast. I think from my experience, this SeedKit we just need about not more than 1 minute to download and install it by Conda. But of course, this is also depends on the internet speed that you have in your place. So following this, you just answer Y for yes to proceed for the Conda install seed kit. Just type Y, and then it will start to doing all the things. So installation done for seed kit. Where seed kit actually keep in Conda. So you now can type ls, go to the directory of mini Conda tree, mini Conda tree, cd mini Conda, and then ls. You can see that software is actually kept in bin directory. So cd bin ils. Now you can see that seed kit. See that here, seed kit I highlight for you. Seed kit already installed. And then go back to our home directory. Because seed kit is actually installed using Conda. Actually, you can call seed kit in any directory. No matter where are you, you can call seed kit by just typing kit seed kit dash h. When it is displaying the help manual of the seed kit, means that seed kit is now ready to use. Uh, how to how are we going to use seed kit to process some raw data? We are going to have a look on our next video. I show you another example. This is another software to process the raw data of QC software. CTK, also very common nowadays. CTK. Also type enter to start the installation. So now Conda is starting to collect all the necessary data or metadata for CTK to be installed. So very fast, just type Y to accept. Same, go to mini Conda, change directory, go to mini Conda, and go to bin, type ls. Now you can see that CT and CTK already installed. Also to go back to home directory. Also to test whether CTK is ready to use. You just type CTK dash h. CTK dash h. Or just type CTK. So if CTK can display the help manuals, means that this software also ready for your usage. And then sometimes later we'll have a look on how are we going to use CTK and SeedKit to process some sequencing data. Sometimes because nowadays some of the software, some of the old software are using Python 2.7, are using Python version 2 as the script to develop. Uh, so and nowadays the updated Conda is actually meant for Python 3. So sometimes this old software which written using Python 2 uh, is are unable to be run in Mini Conda 3, which is actually development for Python 3. So if we are going to trying to run this software, this older software developed using Python version 2, we need to create a new environment, that is specifically software meant for written by Python version 2.7. So now you can actually type this conda create dash name. I name our new environment as PY27 PY27, and for this software environment is created for software to be run using or written by Python 2. Python equals to 2.7. So here we are going to create a new environment that specifically for software written by Python 2.7. Just type enter. Did I do something? Let me check the command line first. Okay, I made a typo error here. Uh, dash and name. It should be only one, and dash name, and then followed by the command line. So just type enter. Here, just type enter. I still make an error here, so I just cancel it. Type Control C to cancel if you make any error. So I correct the spelling first. So now it is running. So just type Y for yes to proceed. Now, Conda is actually collecting all the necessary metadata that need to set up a new software management environment for PY27. Okay, the new environment already created. So to activate this new environment, you can see here they mentioned to you that to activate the new environment, you just type conda activate py27 follow conda activate followed by the new environment name. So you just follow the instruction conda activate PY27. Okay. Sorry, we need to initialize what's Honda. Just type source dash RC. And then we can type Honda activate PY27. Now you can see that sorry, just type this. Now you can see that bracket PY27 is actually inform us that we are already in the PY27 environment. So to exit from this PY27 environment, you can just type Honda. To exit from any environment, you can just type Honda deactivate. And we go back to the base environment, the basic environment of Honda. And then to you can actually type Honda env list to list down how many environment that you have. Here we have only two environment, the basic environment and also the PY27. And where are we actually keeping the PY27 software or metadata? You can go to CD mini Honda again. Sorry, mini Honda again, and then type ls. The environment is actually keeping in here envs. So you can just type cd envs, change directory into envs, and then to have a look, list the item inside. So you can see that you have a environment PY27, and all the necessary software that you install using PY27 environment will be keep in this directory. So that is all for today. So if you feel interested, remember to contact us. Remember to contact us uh, while our email address. I type my email address here. So do contact us by this NGS bioinformatics 123 alliance gmail.com, or you can either WhatsApp us via this number. So this is the two way that you can contact us directly. So just let us know if you need any further if you have any further inquiries for us. Thank you.